Hello. This SOP will provide you the steps to help restore the appearance of the foggy or etched glass in your car wash tunnel. You will need the following items in order to test a small spot on the glass you want to restore. A small amount of Reveal F2 and Revive, a quart bottle, magic eraser, water for rinsing and a clean dry towel. Let's begin with our first test. Pick a small 6-inch area of glass and apply enough Reveal F2 on the test spot to fully cover the area. Using your magic eraser, rub the area in various directions. Continue rubbing until you see the removal of the calcification on the glass. Next, rinse the area thoroughly with water. Lastly, dry the test spot with a towel. Try not to pull the soils from outside the test spot into the spot you just cleaned. Once dry, you will be able to see if you made a difference with this test. If this first test was successful, you can proceed with restoring the rest of the glass area. If this first test was not successful, it is time to repeat these same steps using the Revive. Reminder: never spray the Revive. Use only the properly labeled quart bottle to pour the Revive onto the surface. Also, do not leave the Revive on glass longer than 5 minutes without rinsing. Revive can etch glass if it sits too long. If your Revive test was successful, proceed with restoring the rest of the glass. In the event your test still did not provide the results you are looking for, your glass may be severely etched. Imagine can be used in this situation to make the glass appear clear. Simply apply the Imagine uniformly to the area using a pump-up sprayer. Leave it to dry clear. After the Imagine has dried, you can lightly wipe the surface, if desired, with a clean dry towel to provide a uniform appearance. Reapply the Imagine, as needed, over time to maintain the clear appearance. Great job! We want to thank you for following along during this training session. We would also love to see your results. Take some before and after videos and send them to your management team. Let us know if you have any additional questions or challenges in your tunnel.